Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your name?
Anna.
Hello, Mana. How do you feel?
I
How old are you?
sure.
4. Very good. Give Tunic high five. Let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. What is this?
Hi. He. Amara. Go. Hey. You. Bear. Chocolate. Toy. Pickle.
Worm.
No.
Oh. Open. Close. In.
Hi.
Okay. Sit nicely, Mana. Sit nicely. Okay. Now this time, let's have your phonics. Tell me the sounds of this letter. Letter B. Letter G. Sa. G. J. Letter L. Sa. Letter U. Sa. Very good. Okay, now let's read. B. 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 Ra. Very good. G. G. Bag. J. Giraffe. Very good. This time I want you to read the poem Umbrella. Oh, louder. Speak louder, Mana.
Umbrella.
Very good. Sit nicely, Mana. Are you a boy?
No, I am a girl.
Very good. Now let's read.
Girl.
Girl.
I have to. I have to.
Achoo, bless you. I play.
I am a girl.
Very good. Now what is this? What is this?
Ha.
Cap. Where does a cap go? Mana, sit nicely. A cap goes
on my head.
Very good. Where do shoes go?
Shoes go on my feet.
Where do pants go?
Socks go on my head.
Legs. And where do socks go?
Socks go on my head.
Very good. Okay, now, these are some nice things to say, Mana. Mana, what is the nice thing to say if someone gives you a candy? What do you say if someone gives you a candy? I thank
you.
Thank you. What if you hurt someone? What do you say?
Sorry.
I'm sorry. And what if someone asks you, how do you feel?
I thank you.
Fine, thank you. Very good. What is this, Mana?
Hey.
This one?
No.
Eyes.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Yeah. Shoulder.
Shoulders. Very good. Clap your hands. Shake your head. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Very good. What is this?
Comb.
How do we comb our hair, Mana? This. How do we eat our food? Our food. Very good. Mana, what color is this? What color do you like?
Pink.
I like pink. Very good. You like pink. Now this time I want you to sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump in. Oh, blue, don't you sing louder, Mana. How many arms do you have?
I have 4.
How many eyes do you have?
I have 2.
How many fingers do you have? I have 10 fingers. Okay, what can you do, Mana? What can you do? I can.
I have 1.
Alright, very good. Give Shirley a high five. Goodbye, Mana.